Hey everyone on YouTube, this is Ideal Repair, bringing you a brand new video tutorial on how to replace the LCD screen on an iPhone 7. Turn off your device and remove the two screws on the bottom. This is basically the same process on an iPhone 7 Plus as well. Apply heat. Normally I apply heat with my heat gun all around the edges, and that way everything is gonna come out easier. The screen is gonna come out easier when you do this, and try to create a space of 1 inch away from the screen when you use your heat gun. Using metal spudger to create a gap right there, and then using a guitar pick, go all around. You don't have to stick it, just go all around and stick it harder, but don't pull it inside. And when you go around here, right there, I'll show you again. When you go around there, you gotta be careful, because right there, this is where the flex cables for the LCD and the home button are located. So the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, they're a little complicated, but you gotta open it up kind of like a book. Boom, like that. Now it's time to remove the metal shield that protects the battery connector, the LCD connector, and the home button flex cable connector or finger scanner. Using a plastic spudger, just disconnect everything. So now let's remove the bracket shield from the home button or finger scanner. There's another shield for the selfie camera, and also the flex for the proximity sensor and the ear speaker. Now it's time to remove the metal shield for that protects the LCD. And remember, for the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, now we have this type of screws that you have to use this screwdriver. It's kind of like a Y, and on the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, you have to use the Phillips screwdriver and this new tool for this type of screws. And I will put everything on that description, the type of tools that you need when you do this repair. Normally people we all have different methods to fix iPhone 7s and iPhone 7 Pluses, and sometimes they take from 10 to 20 minutes to do this type of repairs, but in my case it takes me like 30 minutes to do this. So applying heat on the flex cable for the home button, it's you gotta be careful when you go through this, because One thing, you don't want to mess up this thing right there. If you messed up this thing, everything can be replaced, especially on iPhones. Everything can be replaced. On the home button and finger scanner, you can replace it with the aftermarket one, but it won't have those functions like the original one, like the finger scanner or 3D touch. So you have this type of experience, and just be careful when you take this off from there. Really easy job. Now it's time to remove the flex cable for the proximity sensor and the ear speaker and the selfie camera. Tweezers, always very helpful when you do this type of work. Anti-static tweezers, better than anything else. This type of screen that I got, high quality screen, type of OEM, but it didn't came out with this little plastic for the proximity sensor, so I have to remove the ones from the original one and then have to place it on the new one, and also this little plastic ring for the selfie camera. So then I have to reuse it, which is pretty easy job. Just taking it out from the original one and put it back on the new one right there. Without this, the little plastic for the proximity sensor, without that, when you're on a phone call, and if you don't have that on your iPhones and on any iPhone, the proximity sensor won't work. So that means like you can be talking with people and the screen won't go blank. So you can disconnect the phone calls if you have a phone call and then without that thing. So let's move on. Here I just put the home button back, and this is the type of screws that I was mentioning earlier. We have those there too, type of Y, and that's why we need another type of screwdriver for this, which is not expensive. It costs like $5 or $7 online, eBay or Amazon, which I'm not promoting any of those sites, but don't ask me where I get my parts or tools from, please, because I won't reply. Because normally people are always ask, hey, what do you buy this thing, blah blah blah. So please do not ask me that, because I'm not promoting anybody's business. I just promoting my own business, and this is my business, my hobby, and this is what I love to do, repairs. So if you ask me, hey, what do you get the screen, what do you get your tools, what do you get your parts, I won't reply. You can always Google everything, and what I can say is like you can find everything on Amazon or eBay, but I don't buy parts from there. So make sure you put everything back as you remove it from the original one. This is reason number one why in every repair that I do, it will take me a little bit more longer than others. Um, it's not because I'm trying to be unique, but it's better to work clean and professional. And talking about business, you can always visit me or follow me on my Instagram account, same as my business name, IDLO Repair. IDLO Repair. You will see the work that I do, short videos, pictures of color customizations, gold-plated iPhones, exotic colors. You will love what I have right there. So please, if you have access to Instagram from your smartphone, you can always follow me on that. So now we're almost done right here. We put everything back to the new screen, and it's ready to be connected. And this part you have, Apple put this the normal screws, which is for the Phillips screwdriver. It's pretty easy. On the iPhone 7 Plus, I think I remember there is you have to use the other tool for the Y screws. Well, I'm sorry, I forgot how the real name for this type of screws are, or the screwdriver, but they're kind of like a Y at the end. So forgive me for that if I can recall the name for that. So right here, this is where we have these different screws, and you have to use the screwdriver for this. Like I said, this thing is not expensive. It costs like $5 or $7 if you order online. Once again, don't ask me where. And this is my way when I do this type of work on iPhone 7s or 7 Plus. Like I said, everybody has their style. I have my own style, learning from my mistakes, and trying to share whatever knowledge I have with all of you. So having everything secure, just put everything back, and without mistakes, everything should work fine. Last thing, just put in the last 2 screws on the bottom. And thanks for watching. Thanks for your attention, and follow me on Instagram to see more, the work on customizations as IDLO Repair. I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. Once again, IDLO Repair. Thanks for watching.